Welcome to Athens, Greece, a city that seamlessly blends ancient history with modern charm. In this travel guide, we'll help you plan your visit to Athens, providing transportation details, highlighting the best neighborhoods to explore, suggesting affordable luxury hotels, and sharing recommendations for the best season to visit. We'll also guide you through the top things to see and do, the must-do tours, the top museums and attractions, and where to eat and drink in Athens. So, let's start planning. Explore Athens easily with the efficient and affordable metro system. Ticket fares start at just €1.40 and can be used for 90 minutes. Taxis are readily available and can be hailed on the street or found at taxi stands. The initial fare is €3.60, and additional charges apply for distance and waiting time. Next, let's look at the best neighborhood to explore. Plaka. It is the oldest and most beautiful neighborhood in Athens. Clustered around the slopes of the Acropolis, it incorporates labyrinthine streets and neoclassical architecture. Plaka is built on top of the residential part of ancient Athens. Monastiraki. It is one of the oldest neighborhoods of Athens, located at the heart of the city. Monastiraki Square is a famous meeting place for Athenians, and the area around it offers many things to see and do. Kukaki. It is built on the southeastern foothills of Philippapa Hill. Kukaki is a beautiful neighborhood near the center of Athens and the Acropolis Hill. It preserves a vintage atmosphere, and a walk there will introduce you to an authentic part of the modern city. Syrai is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Athens. Syrai is a lively, bohemian district perfectly located to the best sites in Athens. With great shopping, lively squares, and an interesting history, Syrai is a must-see spot on your trip to Athens. Next, let us look at some of the affordable luxury hotels to stay at. New Hotel is an architectural jewel, adorning Athens city center with its intriguing design and its fabulous atmosphere. AVA Hotel and Suites Athens, just a very short walk from the Acropolis, shopping and restaurants. Now let's talk about the best season to travel. The best months to travel are April and October. So try to plan your trip during these months. Did you find the information interesting so far? I hope this information will inspire you to plan your trip to Athens. So let's move further and check what are the top things to do in Athens. Visit the Acropolis and explore the architectural marvels of the Parthenon, Erechtheion, and Temple of Athena Nike, while enjoying panoramic views of the city. Some more fun things to do, like take a sunset cruise and embark on a romantic boat tour along the Athenian Riviera, enjoying breathtaking views of the coastline and a magical sunset. We feel that there are must-do tours when you are in Athens. Take a day trip to mythical site of Delphi, home to the ancient oracle, and explore its archaeological treasures and stunning mountain scenery. Next, take a Athens food walking tour and embark on a gastronomic adventure, sampling Greek delicacies such as souvlaki, feta cheese, and baklava while learning about the city's culinary traditions. There are many museums in Athens, but a visit to the Acropolis Museum and the National Archaeological Museum is a treat. Now comes my favorite part, the top foods and eateries to try while in Athens. Try souvlaki at Jimmy's and moussaka at Taverna Kyklades. Souvlaki is a popular Greek fast food consisting of small pieces of meat and sometimes vegetables grilled on a skewer. And moussaka is an authentic Greek eggplant dish made with layers of aubergines, potatoes, tomatoey and meat sauce. I like tasting various cuisines and trying out some well-known eateries. If you are like me, then try these best fine dining restaurants. Visit funky gourmet and spondy restaurants for a fine dining experience. Try coffee at Tailor-Made and Kaya Roastery. After a day-long adventure, try drinks at Bretto's and Babo Rum. You must also try ordering some other mouth-watering dishes, like Capita. It is a delicious, savory Greek pie. Oh well, I almost forgot the street foods. Try these best street foods of Greece, Loukoumades at Krinos and Gyro at Thanasis. Well, we have almost reached the end of this video. I hope this video has entertained you with valuable information to plan your trip, but let me take a step further and help you with some itinerary options assuming a 5-day trip to Athens. You can tailor it further as you wish. Thanks for joining me today on this journey to Athens, Greece. I will see you in the next video with another travel guide to some of the best destinations. Bye for now!